Millions of jobs are about to vanish, and it's happening months ahead of schedule. We've just accessed confidential automation rollout schedules from inside Microsoft, IBM, and Amazon, confirming mass layoffs already in motion for Q1 and Q2 of 2025. By the end of this breakdown, you'll know exactly how to stay irreplaceable in the AI economy, while others get blindsided. Miss this, and you risk being replaced by an agent that never sleeps, while those who adapt are doubling, even tripling their income. While mainstream media is still fixated on how AI might assist workers, insiders at enterprise automation firms are planning full-scale displacement. 41% of global employers are cutting headcount right now, driven directly by AI. And if that sounds familiar, it should. We predicted the GPT store's billion-dollar impact before it launched. We were right about agent workflows, right about hiring freezes, and now we're early again. This intel comes from internal briefings, automation memos, and job redundancy protocols leaked straight from Microsoft, IBM, and Meta's 2025 strategy teams. That's why subscribers to the AI Compass stay 6 to 12 months ahead, while everyone else scrambles to catch up. Here's what nobody's talking about. White-collar workers are now the front line of AI disruption. Not factory floors, not warehouse lines. Finance, HR, customer support, media. These are the sectors bleeding first. Internal documents from Microsoft and IBM confirm what we feared. Q1 2025 targets aren't just for support roles. They're eliminating finance teams, software engineers, and entire HR departments. Klarna already rolled out an AI system that replaced 700 support staff. But here's the twist. They had to roll parts of it back because quality cratered. Still, the damage was done. And while the World Economic Forum said 41% of employers plan to reduce headcount by 2025, insiders show that those cuts are already front-loaded into 2024 and early 2025. By July this year, over 77,000 tech jobs were lost to AI. Just in that sector alone, Microsoft cut 6,000 engineers. IBM axed 8,000 in HR, with 9,000 more on the block. Meta slashed 5% of its workforce, starting with what they called low-value white-collar roles. But here's where it gets even more urgent. 60% of jobs in advanced economies are now directly at risk. And it's not just the tasks. Entire roles are being mapped to AI agents that operate faster, cheaper, and without burnout. If your job involves predictable decisions, repetitive analysis, or standard workflows, it can be automated by current LLMs and multi-agent frameworks. This confirms exactly what I've been warning about. Enterprise AI isn't here to help you work better. It's here to do the work instead of you. So how do you stay ahead? Start now. Reskill into AI augmentation. Learn to direct the tools that are replacing others. Your survival depends on it. And stay with me, because in the next few seconds, I'll show you why this is all accelerating faster than anyone expected. Here's the part nobody's ready for. This wave hit faster than even AI insiders predicted. Why? Because open source and enterprise AI just converged. And the result is an arms race that shattered every timeline. Meta's Llama 4 behemoth now outperforms GPT 4.5, Claude's Sonnet 3.7, and Gemini 2.0 Pro on critical reasoning and STEM benchmarks. We're talking 93.4% in high school math, over 86% in advanced logical reasoning. That's not evolution, that's disruption. Meanwhile, OpenAI's GPT 4.5, released just this February, now runs on a 12.8 trillion parameter model. It handles 128K token contexts. It shows emotional fluency, long-term memory, and task persistence. These aren't chatbots. They're scalable, autonomous workers, deployable at enterprise scale. And here's where the game changed. Companies stopped piloting. They're deploying full throttle. Amazon's HR division is automating 12,000 operations roles by Q1. No beta phase, no A/B test. Their Q4 internal benchmarks were strong enough to skip the brakes. Decisions that used to take 6 months now happen in 6 days. And instead of pink slips, employees are facing silent layoffs. Their tasks disappear, and they don't even realize they've been replaced. As of Q2 2025, 491 tech workers are losing their jobs to AI every single day. That number's climbing. So what does this mean for you? Weekly awareness is no longer optional. Linear change is dead. We're in exponential territory now. Track your own workflow like your job depends on it. Because it does. If your tasks can be described in a step-by-step process, they can be done by an agentic AI framework. Frameworks like Crew AI and AutoGen aren't just handling support. They're now orchestrating operations, quality control, even strategic decisions. The org chart? It's being flattened by invisible agents. But here's where it gets even more interesting, because while some are panicking, others are profiting massively. And next, I'll show you how to win in this new AI-first economy. Let me be clear. This isn't just about who gets replaced. It's about who learns to leverage the very tools doing the replacing. Right now, AI freelancers are commanding wage premiums of 40 to 75%. Why? Because they're not competing with AI. They're managing it, scaling it, packaging it. Solo operators using ChatGPT, Make.com, and Midjourney are automating workflows across consulting, marketing, and design. Some are pulling in over $500,000 annually from AI-powered microtools and niche SaaS plays. And this is just the beginning. In 2025, companies using LLMs and multi-agent frameworks saw a 71% surge in client volume for AI-native freelancers. Not teams, not agencies. Individuals scaling services without hiring a single person. Look at India. Its AI-powered freelance economy is projected to create 90 million new jobs, topping $500 billion in value. This isn't hype. It's happening now. So how do you win? Start by mastering the new high-demand skill stack. Prompt chaining, workflow automation, building microtools using LLM APIs in Python or JavaScript, packaging your work as AI-augmented services, because that's what hiring managers and clients want. And here's a hard truth most job seekers haven't realized yet. 78% of hiring pipelines now use AI for screening. If your resume doesn't showcase AI fluency, you're invisible. But if you can speak the language of AI collaboration, you're suddenly in the top 10% of candidates. This is the shift. The future belongs to the fast adapters, and AI is rewarding them exponentially. Solopreneurs, indie consultants, micro-agencies pairing human and AI talent. They're dominating global markets while traditional teams shrink. Those who hesitate, they don't just get left behind. They get priced out entirely. Now stay with me, because we're entering the final stretch. I'm about to show you what this all means for your next move, your income potential, and your place in this new economy. We're not in the automation era. We're in the adaptation economy. And here's the bottom line. AI won't eliminate everyone. It'll reward the few who adapt fast. Let's recap the intel. White-collar roles are being replaced first: finance, HR, support, even coding. Enterprise AI adoption is moving at breakneck speed. No pilots, just deployment. And those who learn to leverage AI are scaling faster, earning more, and making themselves irreplaceable. By mid-2025, AI-empowered workers will out-earn traditional employees by up to 300%. Not because they're smarter, because they're faster to adapt. They understand one truth. AI isn't the enemy, stagnation is. This is why the AI Compass exists. Our subscribers get these roadmaps months before the headlines hit. And in tomorrow's drop, we're exposing the top 3 AI jobs paying over $200,000 with no coding degree required. You won't want to miss it. So tell me, are you adapting already, or still hoping things won't change?